Discover the extraordinary $18 million modern masterwork at 1410 Georgina Avenue, Santa Monica. This exceptional property is a testament to contemporary architectural brilliance, offering a luxurious living experience like no other. Modern marvel. The residence stands as a modern marvel, boasting sleek lines, innovative design elements, and a seamless integration of indoor and outdoor living spaces. It is a true showcase of modern architectural artistry. Prime location. Situated in the prestigious city of Santa Monica, this residence enjoys a prime location that combines the best of urban convenience and coastal charm. The beautiful beaches, upscale dining, and trendy shopping are all within easy reach. Luxurious interiors. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by luxurious interiors that exude sophistication and style. The open floor plan allows for a natural flow between the living, dining, and kitchen areas, creating an ideal space for entertaining guests. State-of-the-art kitchen. The state-of-the-art kitchen is a culinary enthusiast's dream. Equipped with top-of-the-line appliances and high-end finishes, it offers both functionality and aesthetic appeal, catering to the needs of even the most discerning chef. Lavish bedrooms and baths. The residence features lavish bedrooms and ensuite baths that provide a private haven for relaxation and comfort. Each bedroom is thoughtfully designed to offer an oasis of serenity amidst the bustling city. Outdoor oasis. The outdoor spaces are a true oasis, designed to maximize outdoor living and enjoyment. An expansive patio, sparkling swimming pool, and beautifully landscaped gardens provide the perfect setting for outdoor gatherings and leisure. Smart home technology. The property is equipped with cutting-edge smart home technology, allowing residents to control various aspects of the home with ease and convenience. This seamless integration of technology enhances the modern living experience. Prestigious living. Owning this modern masterwork is an opportunity to experience prestigious living at its finest. The address at 1410 Georgina Avenue is highly coveted and sought after by those who seek the epitome of luxury. Conclusion. In conclusion, the $18 million modern masterwork at 1410 Georgina Avenue, Santa Monica, is a stunning fusion of contemporary design and luxury living. With its prime location, luxurious interiors, and state-of-the-art amenities, this property offers a lifestyle of refinement, elegance, and modern sophistication in the heart of Santa Monica.